Okay, I'm going to show you something so cool in just a second. I'm just touching up my makeup. I hope my filming is clear because I'm having a hard time getting it right. But I just talked to my friend Chat and he advises me. Okay, I have to show you something. I'm going to show you these shoes I just bought. I love a shoe like this because I could wear it with a skirt, with shorts, with pants, with leggings, with jeans, even with the dress. So this happens to be a breathable top, stretchy, and a nice white gummy sole. I love that. It's got a little brown faux leather tag there, which gives it character. But wait till you see what I'm going to do with it. See this? Now I have a pair of shoes just like this in beige. And I put these shoe clips on it. So look at that. Is that not gorgeous? And in the back it's got a clip. It's like an earring. You know? Oh, I'm caught. It's like an earring. Look at the stones on this. A pear shape, an emerald shape, round, square. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Look at that. Wow. So what you do is you open up the back and you put it on the shoe like that, and then you clip it just like you would an earring. Now, to be safe, if I'm going to keep this on here permanently, I might just sew it. I might just take a thread and just give it a couple of stitches so it doesn't fall off. But it's clipped on, and it just is the cutest. It's the cutest. It just turns your shoe up a few notches when you're wearing it. And when I wear it, I'll put a picture here. It's so beautiful. Now these shoes, I bought them from Walmart first, and I bought a 7.5, but they fit like a 9.5. So I went down to a 6.5. These are a 6.5, and I'm usually a 7.5. But these fit me perfect. And they are by DEARFOAMs. They're comfortable. They're cool, 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 cool. You could do this to any shoe that you have. I love this so much. Okay, the other thing I have to show you, if you have a Dollar Tree near you, a dollar store, any of those dollar stores, where they sell washcloths and towels sometimes, these washcloths are amazing. You want to know why? They're rough. They're cheap and they're rough. You see how they're open, kind of? You see? You could see through these. And that's what makes them so good. They're rough. Oh my God. I stopped using everything else to scrub my face. And I'm scrubbing my face with my cleanser with this. Oh, this is amazing. Amazing washcloths. The cheaper the better. The cheaper the better. Some stain after being washed still, but I don't care. I use them up here in my studio to record videos and put on my lap and wipe my hands on it, and then I use it in my bathroom to wash my face. And I'm wearing my winter sweater. You see it a lot because it was cold, not really that cold, but for Californians, it was cool this morning. These washcloths are great. They're great to wash in the shower, and they're great just for your face. When we were kids, we always had to use a washcloth in the shower, in the tub, you know. But now I use like a big scrubby sponge that really scrubs you, you know. But this is fabulous. Now, I bought this brush because it doesn't have anywhere to get mildew. It just see right through it. But the reason I bought it is because you see the bristles and the hair. I have used it. You see the bristles? There's no ball at the cap. There's no ball on the tip. There's no ball tips. Now see this brush? This happens to be one of my favorite brushes because it's got boar's hair and it's got bristles. But you see the balls on top of that? It's impossible to clean the dust bunnies out of it. Because when you even put a fine-tooth comb through it, it gets stuck on the balls. So I cut off some of the tips, but then I found these brushes, so I like these. These bristles can be washed easily. When dust collects and your serums and your mousse and your hairspray and it forms little dust bunnies, you can get them off because there's nothing stopping it because they're just smooth bristles with no ball tip. Those little ball tips are so hard to clean your brush. So I won't buy that kind anymore. It has to be ball-free, tip-free, whatever it is. It's got to be no balls at the end of my bristles. And look at this. This is so cute. And this is rubber, silicone or something. And I think the Dollar Tree may have this. Now, this was like $15. But I'm looking for a really, really cheap one, if I could find it at the Dollar Tree. Found them for $1.25. They're just like the other one, $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so thank you for watching. I love you all. You are all awesome and appreciated by me. I'll see you in my next video. I just had to get on and show you this stuff, you know.